An update for Operation 1977 Blazer for Richard Robbins. I call it a 77, but I guess it's a mix of a few things. I average it out as a 77. So we're going to show him the vehicle tomorrow. I'm going to show him the vehicle tomorrow. Right now I'm putting on this camera around, putting on the new trim kit. We were gonna, as you could see in one of my videos, maybe you've seen it, maybe not. I was going to polish, and I did polish his old trim, and it came out pretty good, but the paint looked so nice, it was just a shame to not put brand new on there. So I gave him a ring, and I convinced him to get a kit, and that's what we did. So, you know, needless to say, this is tedious. It always is, because you don't want to scratch anything, but that's what I'm doing. I got a lot. It's going to be late night. I got a lot to do to reveal it to him. I got to put these lower ones on, and that's it.